So hi everyone, today's video is going to be a vlog. I thought I'd do one just before I leave because I'm going on holiday tomorrow. So yeah, as you know, see I have a new camera right here. If we go over to here, I have my box, and this I can show you what the camera is. So it's a Coolplix L830. That's a Nikon. It is a bridge camera, I think. I got it from Argos. It only cost me £140 because it was on offer. Furrie Friends has the same camera, and me and my best friend Becky on here both saw it and we were like, we need that camera. We looked it up, we were like, £240 is too expensive, and then it went on offer by £100 less. It was amazing. It was like Christmas and we both went and bought it. So thank you Furrie Friends for telling us which camera it was, because now we have it just to copy you. So I'm going on holiday tomorrow, so I have quite a bit of packing to do. My room isn't looking too bad, but we won't go on to that. Going back to hamster stuff, a lot of you have been asking me, is the Zoo Zone 1, is this free, is this free, is this free? I've sold my treat box, well, someone's buying it hopefully soon, well, collecting it hopefully soon, but it's not completely sold yet. I'm selling the Zoo Zone 1 and the Savick Cami. I am not going to be replying to people who are wanting it on here. If you want it, you have to go on Facebook, Twitter or Instagram and message me. The Zoo Zone 1 is nearly sold. There's a few things in there that's also nearly sold, but the Savick Cami is still up for grabs. The Zoo Zone 2 I'm not selling because I want to keep it. As you know, I'm getting the guinea pig. It could be when I bring the guinea pig for like run around in my bedroom, I might use that as a base and not have the lid on and keep hay and stuff in, so it can keep going in and out and having a nibble to eat. So I'm keeping the Zoo Zone 2 and for any future hamsters I might get. And then I have most of this stuff for sale, so like the flying saucer, 12-inch is still for sale. I've made a list. I'm going to put it up all on my Facebook page. I'm going on holiday though, as I did say, I think, tomorrow, so I won't be getting back to comments for 2 weeks, which is a shame. So if you're interested in anything, make sure you pop over to my Facebook page and let me know, or Instagram or Twitter, or even, no, just stick to those, and I'll let you know, but it won't be until 2 weeks until I reply because I'll be on holiday with no Wi-Fi. So those were all my updates. So here is Miss Tiggy. She's just chilling on her bed like usual. Not your bed, Tiggy, isn't it? It's yours. And Ralphie is just down there. Say hello, Ralph. So these two, while we're on holiday, they're going to be home alone. They will have people coming to feed them, but it'll be every other day and they'll have the house to themselves. So hopefully they'll be okay. Most likely that she will run away because she always runs away once we go on holiday. So I don't expect to see her when we come back for another few days. She just goes on a mission to stress me out, eh? So I'm going to miss my munchkin, and he should be fine. They've got the access to the cat flap, so they can go in or out, and I'm not going to close the cat flap because she will go crazy. So we have to keep it open for them. Yes, we do. Sorry, the strap is bringing down. Started my packing. So I thought I'll quickly go on my computer and show you all the videos I've scheduled for this week. Now, I have my bed video list here. Just like to say, this haul went up. Guinea pig pet haul. It did say another guinea pig pet haul. That's because I scheduled it. That's why it says published. I scheduled it for August the 4th, and I wasn't meant to. It was meant to be the 14th, I think. So I've had to change it all around because this was meant to go up first. This big haul was meant to go up first, and then my opinion on dwarf hamsters as pets is meant to go up, then that, and then my Fitch bedding review. But it's all been jumbled now. I was meant to have 4 videos whilst away. I was going for 2 weeks, so I thought I'll upload twice. But now you're only going to have 3 because I accidentally uploaded one already. And you're going to have this as well today, which has to be up today because I'm leaving. So I just thought I'd let you know. So you got to look out for a Fitch bedding review, which I still need to do the thumbnail of. My opinion on dwarf hamsters as pets is to come up, and that I actually show my face and I sat down in front of the camera, so that's something different. and a rabbit and guinea pig haul. The rabbit stuff was for my friend, and the guinea pig stuff was for my some of you may know if you've watched her vlog before mine, but this girl right here, Coco and the Crazy Cabbie, obviously that's not her name, but this girl of the channel, Becky, is my YouTube best friend. We met on YouTube about 2 years ago, and now we are officially very close best friends, and we're going to be meeting up, which is really, really exciting. I'm going to do it after my holiday, the 25th to the 26th, I think, or the 24th to the 25th of August. We're going to be meeting up, which is really, really exciting. So leave any questions you have for our Q&A, which we'll be filming together, below, and make sure you head over to her channel and subscribe, because look, she only has 519 subscribers, which she deserves way, way more. She has a shed now, which is super exciting, and she is just genuinely amazing, and that's her channel trailer, which is really, really good. So make sure you check out her channel. I'll leave the links below to her channel and to Furrie Friends channel, because yeah, I mentioned them both, so their links will be below. So I apologise in advance for the world's worst vlog ever. Here's Ralphie trying to squeeze on a chair, and there's Tiggs on her bed. Let's zoom into her face. Hey Tig! So I have to leave you here. I'll be in Spain for 2 weeks, and I'll see you all when I get back.